So in May, we also might have a think about what you can plant out now. And basically in May, you can plant out anything that's hardy, and you keep inside everything which is not hardy. So in the greenhouse, I've got French beans, green beans, squash, bedding plants, pelargoniums, and outside, and we'll take a look at the moment, I've got hardy vegetables. So here we are outside in the veg plot, just having a quick look at what's hardy and is safe to be outside, notwithstanding the frost that's coming. So got lettuces, some lettuces that are ready for planting out, some that have already gone out, rocket, radishes, leeks. Just out of the camera's view are some broad beans. There are also some nasturtiums which are hardy annuals, they will be fine. And at the very end, strawberries and carrots. And if you're growing carrots, do remember about carrot fly. It will attack all carrot crops, including those which are resistant, because nothing is fully resistant to them. You need to put up a physical barrier, as you can see there, mesh over the entire crop. Otherwise you will be disappointed when you come to harvest them, so they do need protection. So everything that's in the vegetable plot here is hardy. But for now, keep separate your hardy and non-hardy, and delay planting out the French beans, runner beans and anything that's tender until next month, when we'll have a look at it in the June video. At the end of the month, you can pretty well plant out everything, but this is an interim month where some things are in the greenhouse under glass, some things are out. The word about potatoes is this: they are fairly hardy, but the top of the potato will not tolerate frost. And if you planted your potatoes, it's about now, the beginning of May, that the green growth is pushing up through the soil. We'll just have a look at that. And the real thing about it is that it will not stand frost. So if we get a frost, you need actually to cover the tops of the potatoes as well. One of the few vegetables that are planted outside that are not fully hardy in that way. If you are planting new plants, particularly shrubs, and it's dry, bear in mind that the most common cause of failure of shrubs in the first 2 years of planting is lack of water. So notwithstanding what I said about seedlings, mature shrubs or even smaller shrubs need a good amount of water to get their roots down. And if you are planting them, you need to water them very regularly. And if you're planting on a slope, or if you cannot get to water them as regularly as you would like, then think about sinking a bottle into the shrub alongside it, like a plastic drink bottle. And if you cut off the bottom of it, leaving the top and the bottom open, you can then funnel, when you water, you can funnel the water into the roots, because it's the roots that want the water, the leaves don't, it's the roots. And that helps to direct the water into the roots.